In 1904, Russian physiologist Ivan Pavlov earned the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. The experiment that he did 7 years earlier helped us to understand how habits are formed. Stimulus normally sends information to the brain. Then the brain directs the muscles, which produce the action. When this action is done repeatedly and effortlessly, it becomes a habit. So now you know that for you to stop any habit, you have to identify these factors, especially the stimulus, and make them difficult or unpleasant. So virtually no habit is impossible to stop or even start if you follow the steps mentioned below. I was a chain smoker, a patient told me. One day I heard my voice on WhatsApp audio message I sent to my daughter. I noticed I was panting while talking. This was the moment I realized what smoking has done to me. I developed a burning desire to quit. It's 8 years now and I've not smoked again. Some people just say, I want to change, I want to stop doing this, I want to start doing that. That is not sufficient. It should be accompanied by a strong belief. For you to get burning desire, you need inspiration. In inspiration, necessity, frustration, or even anger about your situation can drive you to change. Also, you need fear or pain. Constantly reminding yourself of bad consequences of failure can make you to start or stop any habit. Keep your eye on the goal. Just start doing it today. Don't waste time thinking. Time will never be just right. Step number 1, burning desire. In 711 AD, Muslim soldiers arrived the Iberian Peninsula. Umayyad commander Tariq bin Ziyad ordered his ships to be burned so that his men would have to conquer or die. And you know what? They conquered. You can stop most habits depending on your willpower. It is very important to identify the triggers. Like we said, make them unpleasant and difficult to achieve. Do you have problems with saving your income? Pay yourself first. Do you want to stop smoking? Talk to a patient who got lung cancer from smoking. Is your phone notifications distracting you? Silence it. Are you addicted to porn? Block the websites. Do you want to write a book or an article? Wake up 15 minutes earlier and write 100 words each day. A good way of stopping a habit is starting small. Start small, think big. Initially, it might not be easy, but if you persist, you'll win. Step number 2, just do it. Deposed King Sancho I of Leon traveled south to Cordoba, present-day Spain, for obesity treatment. Before that, he was so fat he couldn't even ride a horse. The Jewish doctor Hizdain ibn Shaprut sealed his mouth and gave him infusions from a straw. After 40 days, he lost half his weight. Sancho I would later go back to his homeland to reclaim the throne in 960 AD. In 2007, researchers Christakis and Fowler published their results from the female hand-heart study. After following 12,067 people for over 32 years, they found that the person's chances of becoming obese increased by 57% if he or she had a friend who became obese in a given interval. Changing environment might be changing your neighborhood, your work, finding a mentor or coach, or even change who you talk with every day. Join a club like Rotary, Toastmasters, Lions Club, etc. for self-improvement. Follow a supportive community, which can be online, who are doing the things you want to do. Changing your environment includes what you read every day. Feed yourself with online information and books that inspire you to do or to stop that habit. You always have to work more on yourself than any other thing. Step number 3, seek help. So these are the 3 steps that will help you stop or start any habit.